Here's my 1988 Mitsubishi Starion. It's got the tan leather interior. It's a little apart right now. It's really rattly because it's got the poly motor mounts in it and everything. But this is basically just so you can hear the HKS exhaust. It's an HKS Catback with a Magnaflow mid-pipe with the cat removed on that, and then it's got a CX Racing downpipe. We've got a lot of cool things like European mirrors. They fold in. SHP rear wheels, JDM 8-inch front wheels, all stock engine-wise. Fuel pressure gauge. Really rattly because of the poly motor mounts and poly transmission mounts, but let's see if we can get a sound of this exhaust here.